Just a few months ago, this classroom only had a blackboard, but now it has computers. This upgrade introduces the children to the digital realm, which opens up a whole new world for them. In the past, many young people from this village moved to cities in search of jobs. However, this young man decided to return to his native village from the busy capital city of Kathmandu. He used his savings to start a small carpentry shop. Like many others in Tribeni, Ganesh Shahi bought a new TV for his family, bringing a touch of modernity to their lives. Until a few months ago, it was challenging to envision all these scenarios due to a severe electricity shortage in the region. These remarkable transformations have become possible solely because of the consistent and reliable supply of electricity in the area. The Micro Hydro Rehabilitation Project, implemented by the Alternative Energy Promotion Center with the technical and financial supports from the Government of Japan and UNDP, played a vital role in making these awesome achievements a reality. In Bajura, most of the population had limited access to electricity due to the remote and challenging mountainous terrain, which made it difficult to extend the grid electricity network. Previously existing off-grid microhydro power plants, which had the potential to provide electricity for productive purposes, were not fully utilized. On average, these plants operated at only 15% of their production capacity. While rehabilitating these micro-hydro plants, the project had to rely on the muscle power and determination of the villagers themselves for construction works which took almost 1 year to complete. Half the battle was transporting machines and materials to the remote mountain village. Today, Bajura district has experienced a remarkable transformation with the restoration of 14 micro-hydro power plants. This initiative has brought significant benefits to over 50,000 households, brightening their lives and dispelling the darkness that once surrounded their communities. On average, these micro-hydro projects generate around 100 kilowatts of electricity, ensuring a reliable power supply for entire villages. This newfound access to electricity has revitalized local businesses, leading to impressive growth. This nodal manufacturing factory has been able to increase its production fivefold, driven by the availability of power. Entrepreneurs like Krishna Pariyar have successfully started a tailor shop, contributing to economic opportunities that have blossomed throughout the region. The introduction of this power source has paved the way for the establishment of various businesses in this municipality, including a metal workshop, a flour mill, and even a mobile repair center. These endeavors have injected economic vitality into the area, fostering an entrepreneurial spirit and creating job opportunities. As the sun sets over the hills in this village, a big change is happening. The villagers used to finish their day when the sun went down, but now something new begins. When it gets dark, the village lights up with electric lights from their homes. This change is even more meaningful because now village children can use these lights to study at night for their exams. They have the opportunity to learn more and prepare for their future. These shifts go far beyond the introduction of electricity, symbolizing the village's unwavering determination to bridge the geographical and economical gaps, drawing them closer to a world that once appeared distant and inaccessible from their remote sanctuary.